Hello and welcome back to another video from La Hueva. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your smartwatch with your Bluetooth headphones and your smartphone. Also, you can take calls straight from your headphones, whether you're using Earbuds or any other kind. Let's get right into the video. First, it's important to keep your smartwatch connected to your phone. We have already covered this step in the previous video. Now, how do I connect my headphones to both my watch and my phone? First, we are going to take both earbuds out. Yep, just set them there for now. Let's close this and go straight into the control panel. Now, sometimes your earbuds might already be connected because you have paired them before. In that case, you really don't need to do anything else. Just use them and you should hear all your media through the headphones. But that's not our case today. Here we can only see the Y13 connected. In this particular case, we need to connect the earbuds ourselves. So how do we do that? Take the earbuds out of the case and tap on pair. Next to the headphones, a pairing request should pop up. Go ahead and confirm it. Once you do that, both devices will now be connected. As you can see here, AirPods 6 and the Y13 are both activated. Alright, now with that done, you are not only going to hear your media and calls through the watch, but also through the headphones, which is super important. If you are having troubles hearing audio through the earbuds, even if they are probably connected and paired, just come back here and unpair the watch. After that, all media audio, including calls, will go directly to the headphones. And that's it for today's video. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and share it with others. It really helps us out to reach more people. That's all for today. Take care and we will see you in the next one.